guys, welcome to another Matt's Minutes. And today, during National Radon Action Month, we are going to be talking about OM&M plans for active soil depressurization systems for mitigating radon gas. Operations, maintenance, and monitoring documents give you and future professionals a clear understanding of how the system works and how to keep it working. An effective OM&M plan should explain what the system does, what normal operation looks like, how to read the manometer, and what to do if something changes. It also sets expectations around the fan life, alarms, and when to call a professional. So remember, a well-informed homeowner is one of your best safeguards for long-term system performance and protecting your clients.
Want to learn more? Head over to Spruce Training to view our course schedule.